Today we're looking into the story of Brian Peck, a former actor and dialogue coach whose career in Hollywood came to a shocking halt after a high-profile criminal case. Once involved in popular television productions, his life took a dramatic and disturbing turn that continues to draw attention today. So now, many are asking, where is Brian Peck now? Let's find out. Brian Peck worked in the entertainment industry, including roles on shows connected to networks like Nickelodeon. However, in the early 2000s, he became the subject of a criminal investigation involving a minor. In 2004, Peck was convicted of multiple charges related to the sexual abuse of a teenage boy. The case was widely publicized, especially due to his connections within the television industry. He was sentenced to prison, where he served time for his offenses. After completing his sentence, he was released, but required to comply with strict legal conditions. So, where is Brian Peck now? As of now, Brian Peck is a registered sex offender living in the United States. Following his release from prison, he has remained largely out of the public spotlight. Due to the nature of his conviction, he is subject to ongoing monitoring and restrictions, including registration requirements and limitations on certain activities and associations. In recent years, his case has resurfaced in public discussion, especially with renewed attention on misconduct within the entertainment industry. From working behind the scenes in television to becoming the center of a serious criminal case, Brian Peck's story is a stark reminder of accountability and the long-lasting consequences of criminal actions. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories like this and updates on where people are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.